Hey you guys, we last learned how to start a business. We're now going to learn how to apply for EIN via irs.gov. Let's get into it. Okay, so now I got approved. As you can see, congratulations, the articles of incorporation for FSL has been accepted. Okay, now that it has been accepted, like I told you guys, do not pay for the EIN. We're gonna get into that as well, but let's click this link. Okay. And as you can see, FSL, Department ID, the acknowledgement letter is there. I download that, preview that, everything's looking good. I type FSL in, INC. As you can see, it's a lot of FSLs, but there is mine. Second is incorporated. Click filing history, and there it is. I'm sorry. Articles of incorporation. You want to save this and print at least 3 copies. So I'm going to print the articles of incorporation 3 times. I'm going to print the acknowledgement letter 3 times, just for my own safety and for my records, just in case anything. I'm just going to hold these tight. You're going to type in, now we're going to go to Google. We're going to type in irs.gov. You're going to see a lot of different things come up, a lot of different ads, but you want to go to directly irs.gov. Once you're there, you want to type in the search bar EIN. Then you want to scroll down till you see apply for EIN identification number. Click that. As you can see, you only can do it from Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Now we're going to begin the application. You want to click corporation. Then you want to click S Corp. You also want to pull up a tab for the form 2553 and just save that. I'll be doing another video on that later. All this information, I'll show you how to fill that out, but no worries. Hit continue. While we're starting start a new business. Then you want to complete your personal information. You don't need to put your middle name, so don't put your middle name on the application. And yes, you want to click I am the president, CEO. Now you want to put your information in for your address. You want to make sure it matches the same address as the articles of incorporation. Next. Then you want to do the legal business name. Okay. The state, city, date corporation started. Then you want to hit continue. No, 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 no. And for the last one, you want to click yes, because you will have employees. You will be your own employee, no matter how many employees you put. Then you want to click continue. This is where you want to put how many employees you have, what date the employees will start, what day you will start your business basically, which is August 2020. That's when I'm starting my business. The number of agricultural employees, you can ignore that one. As far as the other employees, you can put whatever you want, really. I'm just gonna put 5. Do you expect your employees' tax liability to be $1,000 or less in a full calendar year? I'm gonna say yes. And then click continue. Now you want to describe the business a little bit more to basically categorize your business. None of these fit my service, so I'm going to say other, entertainment, and it should pop up, affiliate marketing and the rest, and etc. So that's everything that I put for my business. You can put whatever you're going to put for your business. Yeah. And then, like I said, just got to remove these. 1 second. And how I would like to receive my EIN confirmation letter. Online, you want to verify your information. If everything matched up well, you want to click submit. Then from there, you want to click here for the confirmation letter. And as you can see, that's my EIN number. And you also want to make multiple copies of the EIN because you won't be able to get this no matter what. They'll send you like a copy of it, but it will never be this actual form again. So you want to make sure you keep this somewhere safe. Now that the EIN is complete, we can open up a bank account. We can try to get credit and anything else. I'll show you that too as well if you stay tuned with my channel. Also, we will be doing the Form 2553 next, so stay tuned. Thanks, you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.